Is Rebecca a real person?
Yes, I already told you.
Because I looked at the schedule this week and I did not see any Rebeccas on it.
Of course not. She quit.
She quit?
Yeah. You want something?
No.
It's not on your badge. You died. Sorry.
Mr. Phelps transferred from Detroit.
Shut up. Yeah. Psycho.
Yeah,
Maybe that's why Rebecca quit.
maybe. She exists.
She exists.
Okay, then why did she quit? For real?
I don't know.
Did he ask to set up a personal meeting with you, Mr. Phelps?
Personal meeting? No, why?
I'm scared, Emily.
Sweet, sweet, twiddle, twiddle, the very night someone gave the songbird an apple in bird form that Zeus came to the goddess Leto. She bore him a daughter, Artemis, the hunter, the virgin. The quail was her sacred bird. Her brother was Apollo, who carries the light. The light was her twin. And it was one day that the hunter, Actaeon, came across Artemis bathing in the woods. Naked, virgin. And he was so enraptured that he stood at her, there, in the light, for longer than he should. What a fool was he. She saw what he was doing. She turned him into a stag, and his own hounds tore him to pieces. It is a shame that in this new world, no one believes in the legends of Artemis.
All right, girls. This is the new piece. This is what we're pushing. Everybody, take a look at it. Maya, see it? All right then. You see it? Now it's 8:55. Let's get this door open. Oh, Maya, I wanted to talk to you.
Hi, Maya.
Close the door, please. I would like you to try the song, the new mantra.
Now?
Yes, please. The store is opening soon. It's just a product. Work. It will look nice on you. Maya, please, the store is opening soon. Here, let me help.
The